specialized in 3D printer manufacturing, including 3D printers and print parts and laser engraving machine. So today our main part is this one model. It's FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. So I will show some of our machine new design features and printing artworks to you. If you have any questions or comments, you can just feel free to let me know. And more details, you can also click the following links to see more. So let's start here.
加了一个，不知道在哪里，好像是
As you can see, our machine is printing now. Maybe you can guess what model we are printing.
没人，一个人都没有下。你可以休息一会儿，等来人了再说。
对。
我先回去了，你看着吧。来一个。
Welcome, new friends. Welcome to FlyingBear. And today's main part is this hot sale one. Is FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer, and as you can see, the machine is printing now. So I will show some of machine design features and printing artworks to you. So first, as you can see, our machine is fully pre-assembled. So after receiving the machine, you can just need to start printing within 5 minutes for unpacking. So it's very convenient and easy for you to pack it. We also have detailed installation tutorials and video, so don't worry about this step. And then the main part, most important, is this part. Maybe many buyers will worry about this one. Here is the new easy design extruder. It's a direct extruder. So reduce the extruder distance, more high extruder precision. And as you can see here, is transparent. So clean filament easily remove fading hole, clean the blocked filament inside easily. And we also can provide you the real-time observation. You can watch and check the student status directly. And we also have the more high extrusion reduction ratio, which keeps to 1 to 7.5. It's more fast than the stable extruder results. And here is 1, 2, 3 cooling frames. It can improve the model surface printing quality. So this machine can provide you the fast printing speed and more and higher accuracy. And I will also show some printing finished artworks to you. And we also have stock in our overseas warehouse, so can support fast delivery, just taking about 5 days. And here, some of our finished models. This one, this red one. So as you can see, the surface of the model is very smooth, right? You can also try it by yourself at home. So this model is very suitable for home printing. You know, the 3D printing is very popular right now, and you can just print some toys for your child, some masks or some models, and you can use it for your own business. Someone, for example, if you are a designer, you can just print some design models, and can also be used for sport teaching, right? And if you want to learn about the price and the freight charge, you can just comment below. And the whole machine structure is core XY structure, you know. So more high printing speed thanks to super low motion initial. And we can also send you the newest catalog and the price list. And here, this part here is 3.5 inch. The size is 3.5 inch. Colorful touch screen. You can just operate everything from here. For example, when you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And then, so this part is very convenient and easy for you to change everything. It's a high sensitive screen of printing, so it's comfortable and simple to use. And we also support Wi-Fi connection. When you want to use our machine, you can just connect with Wi-Fi, and then upload printing feel is very fast and simple. Of course, we also have support TIFF cord and USB. If you have any ideas, please also let me know. And the basic features of this machine, the printer size is 377 millimeters by 365 millimeters by 349 millimeters. And the printing size, maybe you are very curious about this. Printing size is 255 millimeters by 210 millimeters by 200 millimeters. And here is our quality hotbed. The hotbed size is 257 millimeters by 230 millimeters. So I think this machine is very can meet most of the buyers' needs, right? And we also can give you a better price because this machine is under the promotion now. And the recommended extruder temperature is 210 degrees, but the max can reach to 275 degrees. And hotbed temperature is 60 to 110 degrees. So this machine can support of different materials. You can just use this machine to print a variety of different filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PTG, silk, and nylon. Besides the machines, we also have printer parts and filaments in stock. If you have this, you can also tell me, and I will calculate the most cost-effective cost for you. And when you are using this machine, you can just, here is a door, you can just open it to close it up to you. And at the left, you can just put a filament on side here. And here, which has the blue light, this part is the new design filament run out sensor. So it will automatically remind you when filaments are out of break. You can see it clearly, right? Here, this part is our filament run out sensor. It will automatically allow when filament is out of break. And the price of this machine is also very cost effective. If you are interested in our machine, you can just send us an inquiry or leave a message. And another thing is that our machine also have the reshoot printing function. The printer can keep printing if the power failure, so less worries about the power off. And the machine will automatically allow and cut off the power supply if fire occurs due to the overtime printing. For example, when you are planning to print something with a very big size and there is more time, so you need to print it at night. You may worry about safety, right? And our machine design is very safe, so it will automatically allow and cut off the power supply if the fire occurs due to the overtime printing. And it also has a flame deduction function. The machine will also have super silence TMC 2225 drivers. Can make sure the whole printing in a very quiet movement, so won't make any noise. And we also have, about the shipping, we also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Now we have 4 overseas warehouse which are in Russia warehouse and Europe warehouse, American warehouse, and another is Brazilian warehouse. And at present, this 3D printer is in an urgent replacement in overseas warehouse, in Europe warehouse and American warehouse, and it is expected that there will be stock in let me see, about in March 20th. So it's very fast, and if you have any needs or just interested in our machine, I can just give me a quotation for your reference. Welcome new friends, welcome to FlyingBear's live stream, and today I'm talking about our wholesale model in this FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. And as you can see, the machine is printing now. I will introduce some of our machine design features and show some finished artworks to you. And this machine can provide you the fast printing speed with high accuracy. And when you are using our machine, you can just open everything from here. This is our 3.5-inch color touchscreen. It's a high sensitive color touchscreen, and as you can see, and now the speed is 30 millimeters per second, and the max printing speed of this machine can reach to 150 millimeters per second. And here is temperature. If you want, for example, if you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And our machine also supports Wi-Fi connection. Of course, you can also use tip cord and USB, but maybe Wi-Fi is more convenient for you. And you can just connect with Wi-Fi, and then uploading the printing file is very fast and simple. Of course, we also have other models. If you want which one has bigger printing size or which one is cheaper, we can also meet your list. And if you are interested, you can just leave a message, and I will send the newest catalog and quotation list for you for your reference. And we also, about the machine, we also have a foldable insulation cover. About the machine, here is a foldable insulation cover, but now there is which is used by our designer, so it's not here. But if you want to learn more about the machine, you can also just click the follow links to see more. About this cover is an adjustable temperature fan inside, and helps to all filament printing in a good warm keeping condition, so as well as ABS filament also print easily. And that cover is also included in our machine accessories. That's free. And the whole structure from our machine is core XY structure, you know that. Core XY and the D-axis. So, more high printing speed thanks to super low motion elation. And our max printing speed can reach to 150 millimeters per second. And this part is our the newest design extruder. It's a direct extruder, reducing extruder distance for more high extruder precision. Here is some of our finished artworks, and you can see the surface of artwork is very smooth, right? Of course, you can also try it by yourself at home with your child or friends. And I think the most important point of 3D printing is that it can transfer your any idea into reality, right? So 3D printing is very interesting and full of creation. And as you can see, here is transparent, so it can provide you the real-time observation. You can just watch and check the extrusion status directly, and the clean filament easily remove the fading hole, clean the blocked filament inside easily. Here's 1, 2, 3 cooling films can improve the model surface printing quality. And if you have any ideas or some suggestions or some questions about this machine, you can just comment below and let me know. And besides the printer machine, we also have printer parts and the filament inside. In stock, if you have any ideas, we can also make your use. Now we have 3 types in stock, including PLA, ABS, and TPU. And the weight of filament is 1 kilo per roll. And there are many different colors for you to choose from. And I also have some finished models. And let me show you that. Like this is a dragon egg, right? And you can see the surface of this model is very smooth. And it includes 2 parts. You can just open it up. Maybe it's difficult to open it. Oh, I open it. You can guess what is inside. It's 2 parts. Oh, it's a small dragon. So with the printer, 3D printer, you can just print some toys, some masks, or some interesting models for your child and for your friends, or just make some gifts for your families or your friends. That's both interesting. And if you want something with softer materials, this is a purple dragon. And this one is softer. And if you are interested, I can also share you with our ST So it's very suitable for home printing, for your own business, and for a school teaching. That was okay. And also, we also have some customers buy it for just for kids gift. And when you receive our package, you can see that it's print assembly, and you can just start printing within 5 minutes for unpacking. And we also have detailed packing installation tutorials and videos. So don't need to worry about this step. And when you are using our machine, you can just put your filament on side. Oh, let me show. When you are using our machine, you can just put your filament outside on here. And this which point has blue light. Here is our filament around sensor. So it will automatically allow when filament is out of break. And our machine also can keep printing when power failure. So less worries about power failure. And when you are doing some overtime printing, our machines also can keep safety. It will automatically allow and cut with power supply if a fire occurs due to the overtime printing. So if you are interested in our machine, you can just send us an inquiry, and I will calculate the most cost-effective price for you. And this machine is also on the promotion now, so the price of this machine is very cost-effective. Also, we also have other models. For example, if someone are looking for which one has a bigger printing size or which one is cheaper, we can also have some models that can meet your needs. So just tell me your questions or your demands. We will send you the new catalog and price list for your reference. And this one is very cool. Maybe you guys want it. This one is also printed by our Ghost6 3D printer. And here is a flower button. Here you can see the surface of the model is very smooth, right? So this machine has a higher accuracy, and mass printing speed can reach to 150 millimeters per second. also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Just can provide you the home printing, just taking about 5 days. So please let me know your ideas, and everything we can just negotiate. And with that. You can also just follow our Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or our Alibaba.com. We also have a store in Alibaba and which one we have many stores. Sorry. So you can also search for our brand FlyingBear 3D printer just on Google, so you can find it. So any questions or comments, just feel free to let me know. And if you are interested, I can just send our catalog and a quotation list for you. We have Alibaba store and Shopify and Zoom and Amazon. You can see the model surface is very smooth. And besides printer machine, we also have printer parts like hot bed and print head and roses in stock, and also have filaments in stock. So if you have any needs, just let me know. Very looking forward to cooperate with you. And also, if you want to see other models, I can also show it close up to you. Besides this Ghost6, we also have a big one which is rebound to 3D printer, and a new model which is under promotion, under development. That's our rebound 3D printer. So I can also send you our catalog for reference. And if you are a local wholesaler or distributor, we can provide you a better price. And please also follow us, so any updates or any promotion of our product will send it to you in time, because we will have many promotion activities, so that I can provide you a best price. Welcome to my live stream, my dear. So here is FlyingBear's live stream, and which we specialize in 3D printer manufacturing, including FDM 3D printer and SLA 3D printer, and laser main engram machine, and printer parts, filaments. So if you are interested, you can just leave us a message or just send us an inquiry, and we will send out our catalog and a price list for your reference. And today's main part is our Ghost6 3D printer, which is a classic model. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse support home printing, home delivery, which just take about 5 days fast delivery. And this machine also on the promotion now, so we can give you better price. So I will show some of our machine design features too. And first, the whole machine structure is called XY structure, X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So you know that the fast printing speed, thanks to super low motion initial and the max printing speed can reach to 150 millimeters per second. And here, when you are using a machine, you can just operate everything from here. Here is our 3.5-inch colorful touchscreen. For example, when you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And as you can see, now the printing speed is 30 millimeters per second. And our machine also supports Wi-Fi connection. Of course, it also supports tip cord and USB. But maybe Wi-Fi connection is more convenient for you, and just need to connect with Wi-Fi. Then it's very simple and faster for you to upload the printing file. And here is the most important part that our newest design is tutors, direct tutors. It's a direct tutor. Reduce the tutor distance for more high tutor precision. And here's some of our finished artworks. The surface of the model is very smooth, right? And here is transparent, so it can provide you the real-time information. You can watch and check the extrusion status directly, and clean filament easily, remove fading hole, cleans about the blocked filament inside easily. And here is 1, 2, 3 cooling frames, which can improve the printing model surface quality. And when you are using a machine, you can just put your filament on the left, just like this. You can just put your filament on the left, and here, which has the blue light, here is our filament run on sensor. So it will automatically alarm when the filament out or break. And maybe someone asks, if the power failures, what can I do? Don't worry, our machine can resume printing when the power is failure. When the power failures, and when you are printing over time, our machine is also very safe. It will automatically along and carton with power supply if the power occurs due to the over-type printing. And if you want to get our catalog or price list, please leave a message to let me know. And more details, you can also click the following links to see more. And here is our coated glass hotbed. The hotbed size is 257 millimeters by 230 millimeters, and the printer size is 357 millimeters by 365 millimeters by 349 millimeters. And the printing size, this is most important. That is 255 millimeters by 210 millimeters by 200 millimeters. And the max printing speed can reach to 150 millimeters per second. And the max temperature of our extruder can reach to 275 degrees. So this machine can support different materials. You can just print different models with a variety of different filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PTG, zinc, and nylon. So you can just for example, you can just print this model. This is a circle, and just and you can see the surface of models very smooth, right? And if you want to print something with soft materials, you can just this machine also supports that, and just like this one purple dragon. So if you are interested in our machine, you can just send us an inquiry or leave a message, and I will provide our newest catalog and price list for your reference. And if you want to buy our machine, we can provide you a free gift that is 250 kilo filament for free, which is included in our package. So besides the print machine, we also have print parts just like hotbed and print head, some more in stock. And we also have different filaments. Now we have 3 types, which PLA, ABS, and TPU in stock. And there are different colors for you to choose from. And if you want to see other models, if someone are looking which one has bigger printing size or which one is cheaper, we also have models which can meet your list. Welcome new friends, say hi today. And welcome to FlyingBear's live stream. And I'm talking about our wholesale model, which is FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. And as you can see, our machine is printing now. Maybe you can guess what model we are printing. And if you have any comments or some ideas, some suggestions, you can just feel free to let me know. And this machine is very suitable for home printing, school teaching, or just for your own business. Also support different materials, including PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and SIG, and nylon. So with this machine, you can just print anything you want. I think the most point of 3D printing is that it can transfer your idea into reality, right? So this is the process which is full of creation. So 3D printing is very interesting. And if you want to know the price of this machine, you can just send us an inquiry. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Support home printing just taking about 5 days. So that is fast delivery. Machine structure is core XY structure. X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So as you know, the highest printing speed thanks to super low motion initial and the massive printing speed of this machine that can reach to 150 millimeters per second. And as you can see, this machine also have a higher accuracy. The surface of the model is very smooth, right? And here, this part is our And here, this part is our 3.5-inch colorful touch screen. You can just open everything from here. For example, when you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. It's a high-sensitive touch screen. So very convenient and simple for you to use it. And our machine also supports Wi-Fi connection. Of course, it also supports TIFF port and USB, but I think maybe Wi-Fi is more convenient for you. And when you are using our machine, you just connect with Wi-Fi, and then it's fast and simple for you to upload the printing file. And here is our created glass hotbed. The hotbed size is 257 millimeters by 230 millimeters, but we also have a PI bed for this one. So when you are using PI bed, just put it on the hotbed. It's very easy for you to put down your models. And when you buy our machine, we can also send you a free filament for gift. And here is the newest design extruder. It's a direct extruder, reduces extruder distance for more high precision. I will also show some of our finished models for you. And here is transparent below that, so it's very easy for you to watch and check the inside situation, right? So clean filament easily remove filling hole, clean the blocked filament inside easily. And 1, 2, 3 cooling films which can improve the model surface printing quality. And the machine will automatically allow and cut off the power supply if the fire occurs due to the overtime printing. So you don't need to worry about the safety. And the printer can keep printing if the power failure, so less worries about the power off. When you are using a machine, you can just put your filament on the left. You can just put your filament on the left, and here is yes, I can send you our newest catalog. Please, if you want to know the shipping cost, please also tell me your shipping address, and then I will calculate that for you. And here, which one has blue light? Here is filament run out sensor, so it will automatically alarm when filament is out of break. And also, if you want to learn about other models, for example, you are looking for which one has a bigger printing size or which one is cheaper. We also have other models that can meet your needs. I can also show it up to you. Okay, there's no problem. Just tell me your shipping address, and I will calculate the most cost-effective cost for you. And here's some of our different filament models. And this one is blue silver, right? And as you can see, the surface of the model is very smooth, right? And if you're interested, I can also send our STL filter, and then you can try it by yourself just at home. And if someone wants to play something with the soft materials, this is a purple dragon. So with a 3D printer, you can just transfer your idea into reality. So this is the process that full creation. It's an interesting experience. And if you also need printer parts or filaments, we also have them in stock. And the weight of filament is 1 kilo per roll. And there are so many different colors for you to choose from. And the Ghost6 is one of FDM 3D printers. If you are interested in SLA printers, we also have Shine 2 in stock. You can see the process of printing just from here, and then it's 55 95% of models has been finished. You can just change temperature or printing speed or any details from here. It's a high sensitive touch screen. You can just modify it from here. So if you are interested in our machine, you can just leave a message and I will send our the newest catalog and the price list for your reference.
哎呦，你站在这里。对呀、提问的，但是我回了。啊？我说这里有几个提问的，但是我回了。这个人问去沙特的运费，我一查这个数，$300啊！天啊！但是他有钱，但是他有钱。还是啊，对，还只是高速乐。那不是比产品还贵啊？还是告诉他肉，那这个不得分到350去？你为什么在打印？他那个噪音太重了。还有一股味儿，为什么它有一股味儿？哎呀，太翘了，我出去了。
Hello friends, welcome to FlyingBear's live stream, and today I'm talking about the wholesale model is this FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. And if you are interested in our machine, you can just leave a message. We can also send you all the newest catalog and quotation list for your reference. And maybe you can see it clearly. More details, you can also check the following links to see more. And we also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Support home delivery, just taking about 5 days. Fast delivery. Welcome new friends, welcome to FlyingBear's live stream, and today our main point is our Ghost6 3D printer. And this one is very suitable for home printing, school teaching, or just for your own business. Here is the newest design tutor. Is the directest tutor, reduces tutor distance for more high printing precision. And just like this, you can see the model surface is very smooth, right? And here you can just operate everything from here. For example, when you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And as you can see now, the 61% of the model has been finished. And the printing speed is 30 millimeters per second, but the max printing speed of this machine can reach to 150 millimeters per second. Here is a high sensitive touch screen, so it's very simple and fast for you to operate everything. And this machine also supports the Wi-Fi connection. When you are using our machine, you can just connect with Wi-Fi, and then it's fast and simple for you to upload the printing file. Of course, we also support typical USB, but maybe Wi-Fi is more convenient for you. And here is a hot bed quality. The hot bed is very strong, but we also have a PI bed. If you want to get that, you can just put the PI bed on the hot bed, and then it's easier for you to get your model, finished model. You know that. And let me show you the whole machine. And the whole structure of this machine is core XY structure. X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. So, you know, there's a higher printing speed thanks to motion, the lower motion initial. So, this machine can provide you the fast printing speed with high accuracy. And more details of this machine, you can also check from our following links. So let me show you the whole machine. So if you are interested in our machine, you can just send us an inquiry or leave a message. We can also send you the newest catalog and the quotation file for reference. machine can also reshoot printing when the power fails, so less worries about the power off. And if you are printing over time, you may worry about safety. But this machine can automatically alarm and cut off power supply when the fire occurs due to the overtime printing. Welcome new friends, welcome to FlyingBear's live stream, and this model is our wholesale one. FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. We also have many stores in website. We also have Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and Shopify. Different stores in the Google. You can just search for our brand FlyingBear on Google, then you can find more details. And the price of this machine is also very good now because it's under promotion. If you want to know the freight charge, you can just tell me your shipping address, and we also have freight forwarder which are cooperating for many years, so can provide you a better price. And when you are using our machine, you can just put your filament on the left. And then you can just put your filament on the left on here. And this part is our filament out sensor, so it will automatically power when filament is out or break. And of course, we also have other different models. If you are looking for which has a bigger printing size or which is cheaper, we can also have other models that can meet your list. So maybe someone's looking for a big one. Let me show you a large model. That is our Ray-Ban 3D printer. This one is bigger, right? This one is our Ray-Ban, a large model. The name is the FlyingBear Ray-Ban 3D printer. Is a two doors, so you can just open it or just close it, up to you. And I will introduce some of our design features for you. Firstly, as you can see, it's all aluminum fry structure. So fully enclosed in metal fry, durable and water deformation. And it's also the core XY structure. So more high printing speed thanks to super low motion initial. And of course, this one has a bigger printing size. The printing size of this machine is that 325 millimeters by 325 millimeters by 350 millimeters. And here is the 80 hold bed. It's very strong. And the hold bed size is that 329 millimeters by 329 millimeters. And the hotbed temperature is 60 to 110 degrees, so it can, but the max lossy temperature can reach to 350 degrees. So this machine also supports different filaments. You can just use this machine to print different scenes with different filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PTG, PA, silk, and nylon. And with this machine, you can just print something which has a bigger size. And here, this part here is also a high sensitive touch screen. You can just open everything from here. For example, when you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And this one is also very easy and fast installation because 80% of the accessories have been pre-installed, so come with detailed installation video. So just spend several minutes to start your printing easily. So when you receive this machine, you can just start printing after several minutes. Don't need to worry about this part. And the printer can also keep printing if the power failure, so less worries about power off. And of course, this one also have a higher accuracy, running accuracy, because the X, Y, Z shapes are all linear guides to improve the running accuracy. And I will show some models which is printed by our Ribbon 230 printer. So if you are interested in this machine, you can also tell me and leave a message. I will calculate the most, give you the better price. And of course, here is our newest design tutor is the direct tutor, reduces tutor distance or more high printing accuracy. And as you can see, this part is also transparent, so it's very convenient and easy for you to watch and check inside the statues and clean the blood filaments. Clean the inside very easily and convenient for you. And here is the one model, X model, and inside here the following is two Z models. And besides the extruder, here is the extruder model. So besides the 3D printer, we also have many types of printer parts and filaments. And also when you are using our machine, you can just put your filament on the side. On the right, and here is also our the filament rod sensor. It will automatically power when filament is out of break. So if someone are looking for 3D printer which has a bigger printing size, you can just choose this one. And you can also check more details by clicking the following links. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Support home delivery, just taking about 5 days. And if you are interested in our machine, I can also send our newest design catalog and price list for your reference. If you are a local distributor, or the wholesaler, we can provide you a better price. So any questions or comments, just feel free to let me know. And then you can just operate everything from here. For example, the printing speed is 60 millimeters per second, but the max printing speed of this machine can raise to 50 millimeters per second. And you can just operate everything from here. For example, when you want to change the temperature or printing speed, it's a high sensitive colorful touch screen. And of course, this machine also supports Wi-Fi connection. You can also use the tip cord and USB, but maybe Wi-Fi is more convenient for you. Just need to connect with Wi-Fi, and then it's fast and simple for you to upload the printing file. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse. Support home delivery, just taking about 5 days. And beside the machine, we also have different printer parts. For example, hot bed, extrude model, or print head, so many. And the different filaments, ABS, PLA, TPU, in different colors for you to choose from. And a new model, Rebound 3, is under development. So if you are interested, you can just ask for our newest catalog. And can also follow us, so the updates can be sent to you in time. Welcome new friends, welcome to FlyingBear's live stream. And today our main point is actually our classical one, FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer, but someone are looking for a bigger one size, bigger machine. So Rebound 2 has a bigger printing size, and I will show some of finished artworks for you. Just like this one. This one is a Rebound 2 printed. It's a cute rabbit. So you can see the surface of this model is very smooth, right? And if you want to print something structured, you can also print this one. This machine can support different filaments, just according to your own needs. So 3D printing is a very interesting process. Okay, so let's back to our today's major is our classic one, FlyingBear Ghost6 3D printer. You can see it close up. And actually, here is a foldable insulation cover about the machine, which is included in our package. It's an adjustable temperature fan inside, so helps to our filament printing in good or keeping condition as well as this filament also print easily. You can see it in our detailed page. And this one is very suitable for home printing. You can just print some interesting toy or some masks with for your child, and some gifts for your family or your friends, and or just for school teaching or just for your own business. So 3D printing can transfer your idea into creativity. It's a process full of creation, and this one is also this one is included in these 2 parts. And I open it. Inside is a little dragon. And you can see the inner surface is also very smooth. Of course, you can also try it just by yourself at home. And this machine also supports different materials, including PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, PA, and silicon nano. And if you want to print something with softer filaments, it can also materialize as this purple dragon. And of course, this one also has a high sensitive colorful touchscreen. And this point size is 3.5 inch. You can just modify everything from here. And now the 78% of the model has been finished. You can just watch everything from here. And here is USB tip card. Of course, it supports Wi-Fi connection. Just need to connect with Wi-Fi and then start your printing. So if you are interested in this machine, you can just send us an inquiry. And here is our laser man, another model. Maybe someone also interested in this model. It's our laser man engraving machine for DIY. 好尴尬。
我靠，这个情况。SD 卡有音。
然后有个人说，他为什么不打了？那个我已经说过了呀。
好，大概现在都没有。
嗯，又坏了。算了，不能说，有些人可能会听到。
应该是 SD 卡有问题。刚刚是好好的吗？刚突然停了。你就说，刚才那个材料没有，然后没办法。你看下这 WiFi。你刚才那个材料咋？
我记下这个。
雷泽满可以直接看的。
哎，不用看，就这样说。
Maybe some of friends who are interested in DIY engraving, and this one that can
确定那个齿轮问题，
helps
看一
you
下。
for engraving and cutting. So firstly, just maybe someone don't understand that. I will show a finished model. Just like this, this is a cute cat picture. When you are using it, you can just upload a cute cat picture into our system and then start engraving. And then you will get this one. We also have this engraver installed in our overseas warehouse. And this one, firstly, it also has a full color touchscreen. And it's a new operating model loaded to connect to a computer. All functions can be realized through the touch screen. And another thing is that compared with other models, other brands, we also have a new design air filtration device. Just here, this part is our air filtration device. So, when the machine is engraving, it will have smoke. And this one, it can absorb and filter smoke during the engraving process to keep the room clean, and while improving the accuracy of engraving and reducing the interference of smoke on the laser. This one. And as you can see, the size of this machine is very big. It can support a big size, which is 400 millimeters. And here is the laser head. Laser head will have two models, which is 5.5 volt and which is higher power is 10 volt. And when you want to buy this model, here is a roller block. It is free. It's a free gift. This one is for bottom engraving, just like this. When you want to engrave on the bottom, so you can just put it down here and then put the laser hand above it and then start engraving. So if you are also interested in the laser engraver, you can just leave a message to let me know. And this one has a higher accuracy and with the fast engraver speed compared with some models which have a similar price. Our machine has a bigger engraver size. This machine also supports Wi-Fi function, controls the engraving machine through the web page, transfers the engraving field. The operation is very convenient and efficient. And this one is also the newest laser model, up to 5.5 volt laser output power, compressed support 0.08 by 0.1 millimeters. It can cut 3 millimeters plywood and 6 millimeters paperboard at one time. And it has also has a fast calculation, speed, power of function, rich interface, easy to use. And the engraving speed usually can reach 3,000 to 5,000 millimeters per minute. If you don't mind the engraving quality, the maximum can reach to 10,000 millimeters per minute. And if a fire occurs during the engraving process, the machine will automatically alarm and cut off the power supply. So when you use this machine, you don't need to worry about the safety. And it's also easy installation because we have a modern design, DIY it, suitable low voices, low turnaround wiring process, simple and quick installation of the machine. And the most important is that this machine has a bigger engraving size that is 400 millimeters by 450 millimeters, which is equal to 16.7 by 17.7 inches. That is our engraving size. And as you can see, this machine is all aluminum structure. Its all parts are made of aluminum, light in weight and high in stress. Low organic parts are used. And here is our colorful touch screen. So it's a new operating model loaded to connect to a computer. All functions can be realized through touch screen. You can just when you want to DIY or gift, you can just put your upload the photos or picture into our system and then start engraving, and then you will give this one. And also, this machine supports different materials. That including the basic wood and plastic, paper, bamboo, leather, and aluminum. They're both okay. And glass. You can also engrave in glass. Let me try something. Oh, this one. Metal. You can also engrave on metal. Just like this. If you are interested, I can also send more actual videos or photos for your reference. Welcome new friends, welcome to FlyingBear's Livestream. And FlyingBear is specialized in 3D manufacturing, including FDM 3D printer, SOS 3D printer, and laser engram machining, and printer parts and filaments. So if you have any needs, you can just feel free to let me know. We can provide you with a better price cooperation. And we also have stock in our overseas warehouses for the home delivery, just taking about 5 days fast delivery. And if you want to buy this laser engrammer, and this is a free gift for you, which is included in our package. And here is our newest design in filtration. When we are engram something and then the smoke, it will have smoke line, and then this air filtration can absorb and cleanse smoke and to clean the room. And this part is also free, which is also included in our package. And if you want to get some bigger air mate, we also have stock in our overseas warehouse. And also have Honey Plant 4. This machine has a bigger engraving size, which is 400 millimeters by 450 millimeters. And it also has engraving speed into 3,000 millimeters per second to 5,000 millimeters per second, so it's very fast. So if you are interested in our catalog product series, we will send you the newest catalog and quotation list for your reference. And we also have another model, new model, Laser X, which has 20-volt laser head. And this head is two different models, which is 5.5 volt and which is another is 10 volt. Of course, the 10 volt has a bigger power, and then the Laser X, which has 20 volt laser head, is under development. And here is a colorful touchscreen. It's a high sensitive touchscreen. You can just operate everything from here. For example, if you want to change printing speed or some other operations, you just modify it from here. And the installation of this machine is also very simple. Because we have very detailed installation videos, simple and quick installation of the machine. And when you are using this machine, if the fire occurs, this machine will automatically allow and cut off the power supply. And it also supports different materials, including wood. For example, if you want to to make a gift for your family or your friends, you can just upload the photo or picture into our system and then start engraven, and you will get this one. It's very cute cat. And besides this, can also do bamboo paper, laser, plastic, and metal. Or metal and glass. I don't know, maybe someone have this on glass. You can just engrave your own label or your own logos on the something just for your own business, just like this. So the operation of this laser engraver is very simple and convenient to process that. And many of our buyers will buy this engraver for own DIY projects or for own business. So I can also provide the newest catalog and price list for your reference. And this one we also have machine laser engraver in stock in our overseas warehouse to support home delivery. Just taking about 5 minutes. Sorry, a little tired. Just taking about 5 days fast delivery. And besides this, we also have the honeycomb plant and the bigger air mate. Here is our air filtration devices. It can absorb and filter the smoke, which is processed during the engraving, and to keep the room clean. It also has the big one, which is air mate. Also have laser head in stock. So I think this machine is also very suitable for novices or for your own DIY projects or for your business. They're both okay. And the quality of the machine is also excellent. The price is also under the promotion now. If you have lazy about this machine, you can just let me know and I will give you the best price for our cooperation. And besides this laser engraver, we also have different models of 3D printing, and this one is printed by our printer. I can also send you the newest catalog and the price list for your reference. For example, this one, if someone who are looking for machine which has a bigger printing size, this one is best choice. This one is FlyingBear Rebound 2 3D printer. And here is 2 doors, you can just open and close it, just up to you. And Core XY It's a core SY structure. You know that the higher printing speed thanks to super low motion initial. And the printing speed of this machine carries to 150 millimeters per second. And here is also a colorful touch screen. You can just operate everything from here. For example, you want to change temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. And now the 96% of the models has been finished. You can just check everything from here. And there is also the newest design is tutor. It's a direct tutor, reduce its tutor distance for more high precision. And just like this. You can see this model surface is very smooth, right? You can also try it by yourself just at home. And as you can see, this part is transparent, so it can provide you the real-time observation. You can just watch and check the inside situation in time and clean the filament easily, remove fitting hole, clean the blocked filament inside easily. And 1, 2, 3 cooling fans, which can improve the model surface quality. And about this machine, we apply for linear advanced function. This tutor adopts TMC 22 and light drive to bring high quality printing. Of course, this machine also supports the Wi-Fi connection. Besides TIFF-CON and USB, you can also just connect with Wi-Fi and then start printing. It's very fast and simple for you to upload the printing file. We also have another function that is filament runout sensor. For example, when you are using this machine, you can just put your filament on the right on here, and this part which has blue light is our filament runout sensor. It will automatically pause when filament is out of break. And also, this machine supports different materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PETG, PA, silk, and nylon. So, with this machine, you can just print something according to your own needs. The printer can also keep printing if the power failure, so less worries about the power off. And it's also easy and fast installation. 80% of the accessories have been pre-installed, so come with detailed installation videos and just spend several minutes to start your printing very easily. So when you receive our package, it can just spend several minutes for you to unpack it and then can start your printing experience. And another says compared to others built just have wide 6 millimeters. Our rebound 2 adopts with 10 millimeters more stress and steady. And the printing size of this rebound 2 is 325 millimeters by 325 millimeters by 350 millimeters. And the hotbed size is, here is our hotbed. The hotbed size is 329 millimeters by 329 millimeters. So, if you are looking for some machine which has a bigger printing size, this one is a suitable choice for you. And if you are looking for someone which has a smaller printing size, you can just choose our last model. It's our Ghost6 3D printer. And if you are interested in our products, you can just leave a message. I will send you our newest catalog and the quotation list for your reference. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse, which support home printing, just taking about 5 days. Fast delivery. And besides the machine, we also have printer parts and filaments in stock. If you have any other needs, you can also feel free to let me know. And this one, which has a smaller printing size, but of course the price of this one is also cheaper. But it also has fast printing speed with a high accuracy, and the max printing speed of this one, it can also reach to 150 millimeters per second. And you can see the surface of the model is very smooth, right? It's the dragon egg. And also this one can support different filaments. This purple dragon is also printed with our Ghost6 3D printer. Also, another is this one also have the newest design direct extruder, which have high accuracy, and here is also transparent for you to watch and check the inside the situation in time. And this Core X1, this Ghost6 is also Core XY structure. And here is our hotbed. We also have a PI bed on our hotbed if you want to get that. It's easier for you to put your models. And here is a 3.5 colorful touchscreen. You can just operate everything from here. For example, you want to change the temperature or printing speed, you can just modify it from here. You can check everything. For example, when you can know the process of printing, and when you are using this machine, you can just connect with Wi-Fi, which may be more convenient for you. Connect with Wi-Fi, and of course it also supports TIFF and USB. Connect with Wi-Fi, and then you can just start your printing. It's very fast and simple for you to upload the printing file. And more details details, you can also click the following links of a product to see more details. And actually here about the machine, here is a foldable insulation cover, which is a free point that included in our package. So if you are interested in our machine, you can just let me know your ideas. Welcome to add comments, suggestions, or some ideas about our product. And the new model is under the development. So thank you so much for your watching about today's live stream and today's is over. So if you want to see other models next time, please also let me know. So today's live is over. Bye bye everyone, and today's Friday. Hope you have a nice weekend. More details you can also check by clicking the following product links. We also have stock in our overseas warehouse, so support home delivery in just taking about 5 days.